So, oh, I like this one. Hey guys. So today we are going to IKEA. We first have to make a stop
at my mom's office because she's a liar, you know.
So we have to make a stop and we're gonna go to Starbucks. But we're gonna go to IKEA and then we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters surplus store
and Earth Cafe and Chocolate Chair.
Yeah.
We have a filled day. A fun-filled, jam-packed Gucci Couture heck of a day. Our makeup was just not feeling.
My makeup was just like nope. So
yeah.
I'm so pretty, like, be on my pedal bike, be on my
wants attention. I get it with his stations. I'm going to rush.
I'm not ready. I can't nowhere. Oh. We both have different things on the brain.
Different priorities.
Oh, go nowhere.
You saved my life again. And I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. Probably like this freaking.
we have so far, we have this board for her bathroom, and then these little rods
That I'm gonna probably not use.
and 2 boxes. Pretty good. Aw. Sis. Ooh, my man's bathroom? Yes. Oh.
Hi guys, I'm rushing Haley because I have to pee. And I'm trying not to spend them.
My bestie. Damn! Yeah. Bye.
7.5 miles.
Bye.
Take exit 137B to merge onto
Is this downtown LA? Yeah.
Like, because we're big girls.
Crenshaw, okay. So I got my pizza. It's a margarita pizza.
This fool, so we are being polite, right? So, okay, there's like this place where we could wait for our food because we got it to go because we're like, oh, we don't have enough time to cram everything in the day if we want to do everything, so we need to get the food to go because we didn't have time to wait for it. Is it good? Yes. Okay, good. So we're like, okay, we're getting it to go. So we ordered our food and we were sitting in these chairs like waiting.
Los Angeles.
And then, oh, look at the wall. It's pretty. Yeah. So are you straight up eating cheese?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were gonna eat the pizza. I thought you were eating the pizza.
I'm eating the cheese first.
Oh. So we, like good Samaritans, is that the word? Yeah. Like good Samaritans, we're just sitting there waiting for freaking ever for our food. So we sit in these seats and then we're like, oh, maybe we should go see over there and check on our food. So there's this area for like to-go orders and stuff, and it's to-go order pickup. There's no slash, it just says order pickup, as if like, oh, you already ordered, come pick it up. So we're like, okay. So we go over to talk to this guy, and this freaking Abe Lincoln looking is like, no, the line's over here, this is the line. So then we go and stand, we're like, all right, like, whatever. So we go and stand by this window, and the dude again goes, no, the line's over here. What are you doing? We're like, I was like, I'm just gonna, he's like, I was literally interrupting me before I was gonna tell him that we were just asking him for our order. And then we wait, so we wait in this stupid line, waiting for freaking people, and then we go, and these people haven't even ordered yet. $10 piece of toast.
It's a big piece of toast. It's pretty loaded.
For 10 bucks? Put it on the side or something. I just want to smell it. I just want to smell it with my mouth. Where are you going? Don't leave me!
We got a whole different accent, and we got a different entrance. They know the vision. I'm ahead of them. It's all pop level. When I jump obstacles and making lettuce. The doctor said my head is messing up. He gave me pills to pop, I never get enough. Man, you know too much, it's time to set him up. You got him.
My parents were not like demented. It's just wow. It literally said it was open today. I checked the website, checked the address, said it was open, said it was here. There were a couple people back.
So it turns out we weren't wrong.
So we weren't wrong. I just clicked on the wrong address. So we're going to the chocolate chair before the surplus store.
Surprise!
Surprise! Chocolate chair.
Hi! Where is it?
Okay, guys.
So we've officially made it. Update. Again. Turns out we are in the wrong place.
They're not open.
At the wrong time.
Oh.
God!
This is the one from the movies!
Oh my god! Bruh!
For 42 miles, continue straight.
Okay. I guess so.
Whatever you say. All right, Brenda.